Morning guys, so today is officially Ramadan Mubarak. I hope you guys have a very fruitful and very great one, inshallah. So today's the first day. Today's Monday, the 6th of May. So I'm headed to school. I'm kind of late, so we need to rush there. Let's go to the mall today. Anyway, let's go. I'm not focused. Let me turn on these lights off. I have a lot of shit to do actually. So this week I started Android, so that's like the mobile development module. So I need to work on that, wallahi. I've never had this like bati fabric. It's like a praying gown and it has like the sticking hijab on it. I've never had it, and a lot of people have it actually. I've seen it on a lot of, like, I've seen it on so many people and I never bothered to buy. I used to be like, oh, you know, that's cute, that's like such an easy thing to wear. But I got one finally. So I know I haven't vlogged that much today, I'm sorry, but you guys know how it is, school days every single day. So I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, so today's day 2 of Ramadan. I'm feeling kind of like I have a headache because let me sit down. I have a headache because last night I didn't sleep as much as I wanted to, and then I had to wake up for suhoor at 4 and I was up till like 5:30. I went back to sleep and then I was up at 7. So I've been having a headache. I'm coming to fix, and I'm kind of feeling okay now. I wanted to share a few apps. I think I'm just gonna go do this as I discover more podcasts as we go, but I've been leaning towards podcasts a lot lately, and not just like self-help podcasts but Islamic podcasts as well. So the one I've been enjoying a lot, I'm just going to put a screenshot on the screen so you guys can see, but it's the Muslim Central podcast, and it's the one by yaazzmineoz. Okay, currently listening to Reviving the Heart. It's really good so far. Basically, they just have like a bunch of different topics they discuss, sometimes chapters of the Quran and all that stuff, hadiths and all that stuff. So it's very informative. You get to learn a lot. Have fun with, I don't know, even like the like public speaking skills is really good. So sometimes they're funny. I know Mufti Menk has some, Numan Ali Khan and Amr Sulaiman. They also have like segments in the same podcast, the Muslim Central. I'm sorry about the birds, by the way, but I've been listening to that as well a lot. So I'm just gonna mention other like self-help podcasts that is not Islamic related, and this is the Millennial Mastermind. I've been obsessed with this podcast. It's by Brad Mulvey. Basically, it's just like a bunch of stuff. So they have like how to build your dream business, bluffing your way to success and quitting, wake up to your purpose and conquer the ego. Anyway, my nephew's seated here and I don't want to film him. No, Ellie, I can't put you on the interwebs. I can't. Things that don't serve me anymore, and we're gonna keep diving into this. So last night, what I did, no, actually this morning, what I did was I unfollowed a bunch of Instagram pages that don't necessarily like add anything, but just like don't serve me in any way. Like a lot of banter pages, a lot of pages that don't educate me or whatever, you know. I know sometimes you think like, oh, obviously I follow like friends and whatnot, but if I'm not learning something or if I'm not gaining something out of your page at the end of the day, then there's no point of me following, you know. It's just clutter at the end of the day, and that clutter would eventually trickle down to clutter in here, and I don't want that. I honestly don't want that. So getting rid of that. I need to delete a bunch of apps, contacts that I don't use anymore, you know, like people I don't talk to anymore, which isn't a bad thing, but it's like people you honestly, if you don't text that person in a year, you're probably never going to talk to them again. You know what I mean? Like, it's just being honest with yourself. So I'm just making those small moves, and then slowly move over to like my makeup that I'm never gonna use, that don't serve me anymore, clothes that don't serve me anymore, you know what I mean, just things I own that don't serve me anymore. That is the plan. Yeah, so it's currently, what time is it, Ellie? It's 6:19 and I'm just currently waiting for iftar. I wanted to show you guys a few boxes that I got from Miniso. Actually, let's unbox together. You know what, let's do the unboxing together. Okay, so I did go to Miniso and I picked up like makeup organizers basically. So I picked the 3-drawer one. I actually saw this at Sharon's page. This is us, and I was like, oh, that's interesting. And then I went to go look at them, and they weren't there. But this time I went there like last. Okay, so Ramadan started on Monday. I was there on Saturday, and I got 2 of them. So I got the 3-drawer one, which is actually more pricier one. This is like about 800 and something. Yeah, so this was about 800 and something, and it's like a cube-ish size, and then it comes with 3 like drawers. And then the 2-drawer one was about a 5.99, so like 600 shillings, but it's a bit like rectangular shaped. So this is what the other one it looks like. It actually looks really nice. I don't know, side by side I think they look pretty cool actually, like really nice. Let me show you guys what they look like side by side. I got these from the Miniso at Westgate, by the way. Yeah, let me show you guys. See, so I have a few of my jewelry that I'm gonna organize right about now and see how that turns out, and I'll show you guys.
Every day she sees her life fade away and pass her by. What can she do? What can she do? Wants to leave a lonely town. Wants to go and fuck around.
Okay, so far, sorry for the like disarrangement of the boxes, but this is what I have so far. So I put like a few of my favorite rings in the first drawer, and my hair clips, like the clips I use for my hijab, very important. Basically this is gonna sit on top of like my vanity area or something, because it's like things that gravitate to most. And then in here is just like a bunch of different styles of earrings. I have like my usual like circle earrings that I really love. These are not like sort of like everyday but not. Then I have like my fancier ones, like these ones from Zara, and then these ones, just like a bunch of tassels, hoops, just like a variation. But this would change with like every time I'm feeling different types of earrings. This would change. As you guys can probably tell, I really love gold accessories. Those are like my favorite. I feel like that's what complements my skin the most. And then in the final drawer, I just have my watch that I wear every day, my bracelets, and the screwdriver it comes with, and then my necklaces that I got from Mr. Price. It's just, I need to untangle them, but for now I just throw them in there. But yeah, this is the progress I've made with this one. I don't know what I'll do with this one yet. I think I'll just put like my everyday makeup products that I gravitate to every day. I'm trying to, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm trying to go for like this minimalistic vibe. I don't need to like wear 3 types of foundation every day, you know, just like a simple like concealer, powder, blush, bronzer, mascara, and all that stuff, and a lip color and a lip gloss just in here for like everyday makeup. But so far I'm really impressed with how this turned out, and I feel like the gold just makes it a million times better.
What can she do? What can she do? It's her life. It's her life. It's her life. It's her life.
Morning guys, so today is Thursday. I didn't vlog yesterday only because I had a different plan. My plan was to do like midweek vlogs, but then I don't know how I was feeling about that, so we're gonna do a whole full week this time. I just decided I'm gonna connect the whole vlog. Kind of busy and dealing with a lot of stuff. I'm also headed to school right now. I didn't wake up. I went to Tarawih last night, and then I came back and then did some work till like around midnight, and then I fell asleep. And I fell asleep actually at 1 something, and then I didn't wake up for suhoor, which I feel so bad because I didn't even eat that well during iftar. So I have a feeling today's gonna be pretty hard, but at least, you know, like I slept well. There's nothing much you could do. Let's go.
Wants to quit all of her jobs, sell her house and move along. What can she do? What can she do? Lives in dreams and self-told lies. Sees the world through jaded eyes. What can she do?
Dying of hunger, and even during like iftar, I didn't eat anything. I only had like a few samosas and like a bowl of noodles.
Opening.
And a bowl of noodles, and that's all I had, and like juice. But then I was woken up at 4 but squamka. So here's me struggling. Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday morning. Okay, not morning, it's like 1, but I didn't vlog in the morning, but it feels like morning because the skies are so cloudy. Anyway, the reason why I'm wearing makeup this early and I'm not going anywhere is because I was filming today. I filmed a sit down video, so you guys better watch out for that. I don't know if it'll be out before this or after this. And I also filmed an IGTV video for this dress. So if you guys aren't following me on IG, go follow me. But look at all the mess I made filming. Look at all the mess I made just for filming. But yeah, now that I'm done filming, I'm just gonna clean up, put everything back to where it belongs, and then I'm gonna sit down and start reading, do some project work, and then start editing. Hopefully I want this vlog to be up by next week, so I'm just gonna speed up that process, inshallah. But other than that, everything's going good. I really like this lip. Something that I've really been into lately is no lashes but with a really bright lip. This is the Crayons and Ink Daredevil, and it's a very deep, I feel like it's very suitable for this weather. You know, it's not like a very bright in your face red, it's a very deeper moody red, but I like it. It's a very moody red and I absolutely love it. Anyway, let me just fix everything, put them where they belong, and then I will catch you guys. I feel like I'm out of breath, but I will catch you guys in a few seconds.
What can she do? It's her life. It's her life. It's her life. It's her life.
I just left the kitchen. I was making the rice cakes that has avocado, cucumber, and mint. It's so good. I had them yesterday and I really like them actually. I just don't like the taste of rice cakes that much. I guess it's like a foreign thing. But we made that. We made some mango and grapefruit juice. So far so good. I'm actually really hot in this hood robe. I don't know why I'm wearing it, only because I don't want to put a scarf on in the house. So I just like put it on when I grab the camera. Morning, guys. I have a shoot to go for and I'm rushing. I have packed a bag, my laptop. I'm just gonna go work from there because I have a project and I didn't do that much yesterday, which I'm kind of regretting right now, but just waiting for my Uber to get here, then we can go. I'm shooting with Audra Styling. I don't know if you guys know Beata. I'm so excited because I kind of saw like the theme of the photo shoot and it's something I've been dying to do. So okay guys, so this is my look and this is Najma's look. We're actually twinning. We look like such. Yes. Look at us.
Hey.
The next face is of Vogue.
Very soon, very soon.
I really like these tones.
You look perfect.
Yeah. Just wrapped up finally at the Audra styling offices. Imagine,
Give me that one.
Those laughters are so fake.
No, that's how we laughed.
Yeah. Even I told her no.
So badly.
Okay.
Hi guys, so my name is Fini. I work at Odra Styling. Check us out, by the way. I'm the executive admin at the company, and today we're right here doing an amazing shoot for something big that's coming up, guys. Check us out. And excuse me, I have a bit of a flu, so I sound a bit funny. Anyway, you know Yasmin by now if you're here on her channel. Follow, subscribe, and if you're new here, karibu.